Hi guys, thought I might just show how I did my latest 3D printed laser cutting project. Getting a bit confused with words there. I went to a site called Free Patterns Area because on Pinterest they'd got the picture of their biplane on there. So I went there and had a look. Model plane 3D laser cutting project. And over on the right here, you'll see it's all free. Now it's designed for laser cutting for a 3mm thick plywood or something like that. But they allow you to download the files in SVG format and STL format, plus the others. But STL, in theory, you could import directly into, what's it called? Come on, pop up. Ultimaker Cura. But I did try that and it didn't work. So instead I downloaded the SVG file and then I went to TinkerCad and I've already done it there, but we'll do it again. Create a new design, import, choose a file, choose it from my downloads, model plane, import. First thing you'll notice is it's rather large. So we want to make, excuse me, we want to make it smaller. If I put my finger on the shift key and then click on there and then change this to something like 130. Yeah, that's changed both dimensions at the same time. So we can drag this back over here. I chose 130 because that fits nicely inside the standard work plane. Gives me a nice border of about 30 at the top and the bottom and about 30 either side. What's that? About 40 either side roughly. Right, next thing we want is to look what sort of size the slots are, because if it's going to slot together we need the thickness of the print to be the width of the slot, and I reckon those slots are about 1mm slots. So if we tell it to print, or tell it it's only 1mm thick, then when we print it, if we're lucky, these pieces will slot into those slots without me having to get my rat-tailed files out and or needle files and opening them all up again. So I think that's about right. That looks about 1mm there, and I've told it it's 1mm thick. So we're now going to save that. We'll call it biplane for now. Alright, biplane. And then we can actually export that straight away. Export it as an STL file. Now all we've got to do is wait for Ultimaker to fire up. It does take quite a while. Or we can shut this down while we're waiting. Oh, got some stuff I've left open there. Save that. Save that. Shut that one down. Yeah, I've watched that. Okay, that's opened up. That little message just came up saying version 12.1 is available. I only just upgraded it to version 12, so there must have been a bug in it straight away or something. Anyway, up here, STL file, biplane, open that. There we are. Slice it. Oh, I've already got this set up the way I want it. It's going to take 1 hour 58 minutes to slice, to print. And we would then save that to an external file, which I've done. So that'll do for now. We'll go and watch it print. Morning, guys. One of those laser cut files that I've converted to 3D printing. Having trouble at the moment. This white filament doesn't want to stick to my glass bed. If it's long flat pieces, they seem to come loose very easily, so I had to resort to using Elmer's glue, which I don't like doing, because since I've had this glass bed, it's been excellent. Very few problems with it, but certainly this white filament is playing up. So anyway, I'll release all that lot and put it in a bag, and we'll take it downstairs and assemble it. That actually looks excellent. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.